Good morning, and we're looking great with our weather for this Fat Tuesday. Like we always say, we could have any kind of weather. We have cold fronts moving in this time of year, so it could be super cold. We have storms sometimes, but this Mardi Gras day, we are lucking out. Here's our planner for today. Temperatures just getting into the 70s, and I think the only problem now is just a few clouds. Not sure if that's a problem. Probably not a big problem for most of us. Looking at temperatures this morning, our temperatures are in the 60s. There's your view of New Orleans just ahead of sunrise in the next couple hours, and it will be a big, full-packed Mardi Gras day with temperatures starting off again in the 60s and then warming up into the 70s pretty fast. I did want to point out visibility is great. Maximum 10-mile visibility across our South Shore spots, north of the lake too, and south to Belle Chase. The only thing that we're seeing is a bit of patchy fog right along the coast. So far south of New Orleans, we have visibility near a half mile. There's officially a marine dense fog advisory, so over these coastal waters until 10 a.m. But thankfully, we've had the cloud cover move in, and we have not seen much lowering in visibility, much fog forming overnight and into early this morning. So that's a good thing for people getting out and about, trying to get to the parade routes early on this Tuesday. Winds are coming in from the southwest up to about 10 miles per hour right now. And later today, they will be close to about 15 miles per hour through the afternoon. So a little bit of a breezy feel. Notice we'll start the day with some clouds, mostly cloudy skies, in fact, but we should see some breaks of sun later on, especially getting toward the afternoon, and temperatures will be getting to upper 70s and again, maybe scraping 80 degrees. Satellite and radar quiet. We do have clouds on satellite imagery, but radar very quiet, not expecting rain really today, and there isn't a lot of a rain chance even through the next 7 days as we enter a quiet, warm, spring-like pattern really starting today and even yesterday and into the weekend. Here's our planner through the day. You can see the clouds mixed with sun later on this afternoon. Temperatures around 76 by 3 p.m. Fast forward to this evening, temperatures will be back in the upper 60s to about 70 by 7 o'clock. And our upper pattern is really featuring this warm forecast thanks to this ridge of high pressure to our southeast building into the Gulf Coast. So we are not seeing any big storm systems or any big rain chances or any big cool downs in our next 7 days. Now, by the middle of next week, just outside of the 7-day forecast, we might have our next system moving in with some rain and potentially another little cool down. But certainly for this week and into the weekend and even into Monday, we're continuing with temperatures in the lower 80s. You see that 83 for Thursday. That could be a record high temperature for that day's date. And even tomorrow, Ash Wednesday, windy conditions. That will be the main focus with tomorrow's forecast, and highs about 82. But today for Fat Tuesday, looking great. Hope you enjoy it out on the parade routes.